This is a video tutorial on how to install candlestick timer on MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. As you can tell in my chart, the candlestick timer is set to be installed, so the time remaining for this candle to close, I can't say it, okay? And to be able to tell when the candlestick timer will close while trading really helps you in making better trade decisions, okay? So the link to download this indicator is found in the description box below. This is the process on how to download the candlestick timer, okay? Click on the link in the description box below and you'll be redirected to this site, to this website, okay? That's where you'll be able to download the candlestick timer, okay? Click on continue, click on close the pop-up, click on continue, and wait for the site to load up, okay? Please check the captcha box to proceed to the destination page. Then click on continue, click on continue, then wait for the captcha box to pop up. Okay, the captcha has popped up, so I'm gonna solve the captcha image now. Chimneys. Then click on verify. Your link is almost ready, so you have to wait for 10 seconds for you to get the actual link to download the candlestick indicator. You can see preparing link. And few seconds left. You click on get link, close the pop-up, then click on get link. Okay, it's now directing us to where we have to download the file. Okay, now we are at the Google Drive, so you have to click on download. As you can see, the file is now downloading. As you can see, I have successfully downloaded the file. Consider the candle timer. Okay, so I have to locate the candle timer on my system PC where my downloaded files are saved. Okay, which is under download, then candlestick timer. So for you to easily install this indicator, you can either double click it or you can right click, then you can click on open. Okay, this automatically installs the indicator on the MT5 or MT4 trader. Okay, so this indicator, after I've double clicked on it, now it has successfully installed, okay, on the MT5 or MT4 trader. The only thing left for you to do now is to actually install the indicator on the chart. If you can see under the navigation window, you see the candle timer which has been successfully installed. If you can't find the candle the navigator window on your MT5, okay, click on view, click on navigator. That will give you the navigation window on your MT5 or MT4 platform. Okay, so once you click on indicators, just go down, scroll down. The indicator you installed last will be what you'll be seeing, which is the candle timer, which is the last indicator. You can easily double click on it to install it on the chart. As you can see, after I double clicked it, it's now showing on the chart. Okay, so you cannot tell the remaining time for the candle to close. Okay, with this you can make better decisions. Also, you can still drag and drop the timer on the chart for you to also install it, so whichever is easier for you, you can make use of. Okay, so this is the easiest way to install the candlestick timer on MT5 or MT4. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.